Mastering idioms to make a killing. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into the world of idioms, specifically the phrase, to make a killing. This expression can be quite intriguing for English learners, and understanding it is key to mastering conversational English. So, let's get started and explore what this idiom means and how to use it effectively. To make a killing is an idiom that means to earn a lot of money in a very short time, often with minimal effort. It's important to note that this phrase is usually used in a positive context and often implies success or good fortune. For example, she made a killing in the stock market with her smart investments. The phrase, to make a killing, has an interesting origin. It dates back to the 19th century and was initially used in the context of successful gambling or betting. Over time, its usage expanded to include any instance of making a large profit, not just in gambling. Let's see how this idiom is used in different contexts. 1. Business. After launching the innovative product, the company made a killing in sales. 2. Investments. He made a killing by investing early in the technology startup. 3. Casual use. I made a killing at the garage sale by selling my old comic book collection. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various scenarios, from business to everyday life. It's crucial to clarify that, to make a killing, does not involve any literal killing or harm. It's purely a metaphorical expression related to financial success. Also, it does not necessarily imply illegal or unethical earnings. It's often about legitimate profits. 1. Appropriate context. Use this idiom in informal or semi-formal contexts. It's perfect for casual conversations, storytelling, or business discussions. 2. Positive tone. Since it implies success, use it in a positive or optimistic tone. 3. Variations. Be aware of similar expressions like, hit the jackpot, or strike gold, which also indicate financial success but have slightly different connotations. Thank you for joining us to explore the phrase, to make a killing. We hope this video has been insightful and adds a new, exciting expression to your English vocabulary. Remember, idioms are a fantastic way to sound more like a native speaker, so keep practicing and exploring. See you in our next video. Happy learning!